Former Port of Auckland boss Tony Gibson, he maintains that health and safety was a core part of the business under his watch as he defends his record in the courts. The trial is underway at the District Court of Auckland. He is facing 2 charges related to the death of the 31-year-old Pala Amo Kalati while working at the ports in August 2020. The Maritime New Zealand have investigated the case and have charged Tony Gibson with failure to perform his duties as the officer of the ports. So this is it's not before a jury, it is a trial purely before the judge. We're watching this with keen interest because this could be a cornerstone case in terms of determining the duties and responsibilities as an officer of a PCBU here in New Zealand. So it's interesting that it's the Maritime New Zealand that has brought a case against an officer. We know that WorkSafe NZ has yet to successfully prosecute an officer of a PCBU. And this isn't the only case that the Maritime New Zealand have in courts currently with the Health and Safety at Work Act 2015. So we're expecting this case to take a couple of weeks to follow due process, and then we can expect to have findings from the judge in a matter of months, and then we'll have I think a clearer understanding of the duties of the officer. The maximum penalty that the former Ports of Auckland boss could be facing is up to $400,000. So yeah, definitely something worth following, and definitely something worth, I would suggest, mentioning in your board and executive reports. I think it's incredibly important for us to be able to keep our officers of our companies up to date.